Hey music lovers. Today, we've got some heartfelt news about Lewis Capaldi, a voice that has touched millions. Let's dive into the latest updates on his journey and his music. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more music news. Lewis Capaldi, known for his soul-stirring hits, has recently announced an extension to his touring break. After a 6-month hiatus, which has seen a significant improvement in his health, Lewis is choosing to prioritize his well-being. Back in June, amidst struggles with his voice during a challenging Glastonbury set, Capaldi decided to pause his performing schedule. This brave step came as he grappled with managing Tourette's syndrome and anxiety. In a touching social media post, Lewis opened up about his journey. He mentioned working with professionals and noted a marked improvement in his health since the break. This highlights the importance of mental health, especially in the high-pressure world of music. But there's good news for fans. Lewis is not only focusing on his health but also on creating new music. He announced an extended version of his second album Broken by Desire to be Heavenly Sent, featuring 5 new songs. Capaldi expressed his deep gratitude to his fans for their unwavering support. He's eager to return to the stage when he's fully ready, ensuring that he can give his all to his beloved audience. In his Netflix documentary, Lewis gave us a glimpse into the pressures of fame. Despite these challenges, his album Broken by Desire to be Heavenly Sent has been a massive success, showing his undeniable impact on the music scene. Lewis Capaldi's journey is a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of self-care. We're all eagerly awaiting his return to the stage. Until then, let's keep supporting and loving his music. And thanks for watching.